Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and tonight I decided to get some things vacuum sealed, which I may put up as part of the Tuesday Toss It because it is part of my organizing, or this may just be a separate video. So, depends on what the title says. Alright, so we have one bag of all-purpose flour. I did just seal these, so they still have to, the oxygen absorbers still have to work in that. And all of the mylar, it's still working, seeing that I just did it. I packaged some minute rice into 1 cup packages. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them. I did not count as I put them away. So I have 12 1-cup portions. So that's a good amount of rice. So this could make 1 or 2 meals, depending on, what it is. Or if I have another service dog, it will feed both of us, along with, other things to go with it. But anyways, so they're all in 1-cup portions. And then I have some chicken stovetop, 3 packages of that. And of course that still needs to vacuum down with the oxygen absorbers. And then I have some instant potatoes. I have 3 big packages and 1 small package. So that's what I was doing today. So yeah, I might put these as part of my the Tuesday Toss-Its, because it is part of the organization of putting some of my food preps and stuff away that's kind of sitting out everywhere, and help me get my apartment better organized. So, like I said, it depends on what the title says as to where I'm going to put this. But I'm just glad that I got a bunch of it done today. So I will put all of these where they can sit flat, so the oxygen can be taken out of them. I do need to get larger oxygen absorbers, because the ones that I got originally are like 50 cc's, so I put in like 5 of them per package. And some of them, I think, like the flour has the all-purpose flour has like 10 of them in there, just to make sure that all of the air comes out. But anyways, I'm using what I got, and then once I get rid of these, I'm going to go to the other mylar bags from Wallabies. So I'm just trying to use up what I have right now. And then I will, with the Wallabies, they come with the proper oxygen absorbers for each one, so I won't have a problem with that. I love their bags. I wish I could afford more of them. But anyways, that's a different story. So I'm going to go put these. I used the 60 count egg boxes from Walmart to put these in, so that way no light gets to them and they're all organized. So I'm going to go put this in the box that I still have room in. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.